This is iFia channel. This is Fuzzy Cat channel. To sing.
Puppy in my pocket.
I'm looking at it.
Box break. What does the box say? Can I read the box?
No.
Is just a 3-pack. Is there a blind in there, or is there a surprise one?
It's just a 3-pack. Nothing surprise.
Okay, hold it up. I'll look at it. Here, hold that up to me. I'll hold it up to the camera.
I'm holding it. No, I hold it.
Slow down. Okay, puppy in my pocket. Look at that little puppy. Puppy with a ball in his head and a gray and white
It's
puppy.
matched to Poppy. Little Poppy. And I have the big Poppy. It's so super okay.
All right, all done. Say bye bye.
No, this is my first big Poppy. Come on, super hard, get out. We need to cut these out. No.
Hey, we're filming. Christian, we're recording.
Oh, I came.
Okay, she's
I
almost
got
done.
out my first
Don't we put them in the pet store we built?
Mhm.
Daddy, tell them about the pet store me and Sophia built.
Yeah, they built a cute little pet store for all the pets to go in.
Yeah, we see. Don't get the box. Just get all the pets. Oh, it
Right.
comes with this cute bracelet. I didn't notice that. I thought it was one of those other things, Sophia. But
Okay, say bye bye.
I'm gonna model it.
Bye bye.
Poppy, meet your little sister. You play Poppy.
Puppy meet Jenna puppy.
Poppy you.
Okay, Sophia,
Hola,
say bye bye.
It's Isabel.
Hola, sissy. Hola, Goldie. What? Ooh, how about Spotty? No, he's not covered in spots. He's black and white. Bailey. Wait, no, there's already a dog at the shelter named Bailey.
Okay, say bye bye, guys.
No. What's this called?
This one's Goldie. It's a girl. That one will be Isabella. Isabella.
It's Isabel.
This is going to be a boy because he looks like a boy.
It's a girl.
It has a manly figure. Just looks manly. What would